Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine at home. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium in Grammar, chapter number 7. Name of the chapter is Adjectives. So, here in this page number 52, given what? The pictures. The pictures of famous monuments. Here given the instruction. The pictures of a few famous monuments are given below. Identify the name of each picture with the help of the list given in the next page. So here in the next page given the name, the amazing Great Wall of China, the impressive Leaning Tower of Pisa, the magnificent Taj Mahal, the splendid Roman Colosseum, the majestic Pyramid of Giza, the enormous statue of Christ the Redeemer, the marvelous Chichen Itza. Here given the names. So, what we do? We do the correct name of the picture. So, the first picture here given. This is the first picture. What is the name of the picture? The splendid Roman Colosseum. The splendid Roman Colosseum is the name of the picture. Now comes to second. This, what is this? See the picture. See the picture here given. The picture is the amazing Great Wall of China. The amazing Great Wall of China. See the picture. What is the picture about? The picture looks like the pyramid. So this picture is the majestic Pyramid of Giza. Now comes to number next 4. This is the picture. See the marvelous Chichen Itza. This picture is the marvelous Chichen Itza. Then number 5. Here is the statue of Jesus Christ. So this picture, number 5th picture, is the enormous statue of Christ the Redeemer. Now number 6 here. This is the picture of the impressive Leaning Tower. It is a tower of Pisa. Now this is from India, built by Shah Jahan. What is the name of the picture? The magnificent Taj Mahal. What? The magnificent Taj Mahal. Now in the next page. Now in the next page here given in the yellow box about the adjective. Words that describe a noun are called adjective. Words that describe a noun are called adjective. Here given, see. Here given amazing, impressive, magnificent, splendid, majestic, enormous, marvelous. These are the adjectives. Then here the Great Wall of China, Leaning Tower, Taj Mahal, Roman Colosseum, Pyramid of Giza, Statue of Christ, and Chinese Itza. It's a noun, and before a noun, adjective is used. So this is the adjective. Describe what? Describe noun. Given the information about noun. So here the types of adjective given. The following diagram shows the different types of adjectives. See the adjectives. Name of the adjective. First is quality, honest, pretty. Second is quantity, showing the quantity. Some, little, few, like that. And number. 1, first, second, third. This is the number. Then the adjectives of demonstrative. These, that, these, those. They are in called demonstrative. Then the interrogative, who, what, which, where. They are called the interrogative adjective. Then the possessive, my, our, your, his. They are called possessive. So I am going to tell you about the more information about these adjectives. So here given the first name about what? Quality. Adjectives of quality. What is adjective of quality? So words such as majestic, amazing, splendid, magnificent, marvelous, enormous and impressive give us information about a quality of a noun. What? Quality of a noun. So they are called adjective of quality. What? Quality of a noun. Here given the majestic. What? The amazing great of China. The great wall of China. But what? Amazing. That is showing the quality of a noun. Quality of a noun. Then see the adjectives of quantity. Quantity means quantifier and number. Quantifier and number. What quantifier? Words such as most, some, few, enough, much, little, and all give us information about what? About the quantity of the noun. Showing the quantity, some sugar, little thing. They are called the quality of a noun. They are adjectives of quantity. These measuring words, what? The measuring words modify the noun and are also called quantifier. Here given the examples. See here in the green box. Adjectives of quantity describes what? Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. See, little is showing what? Quantity. Little patience. Much time. So much is quantity. Enough work. So enough is what? Quantity. Showing the quantity. Adjectives of number describe countable nouns. What? Adjectives of number, talking about the numbers, not quantity. So here now come about, apart from the quantifier mentioned above, there are other words which denote numbers. See which number? Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are called the cardinal numbers. Okay. And second is ordinal numbers. Second is ordinal numbers. Which number? Ordinal. Ordinal numbers is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. They are called the ordinals number. And these numbers as described as countable noun. In countable noun. Okay. Now see, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers used to describe the amount of countable nouns, and they are called the adjectives of number. Now see, here the paragraph is given. Read the following passage and identify the adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjectives of number, and make a list of them. One has been done for you. So let's see. We are going to identify the quality, quantity, and number. Here given the first in a red, the amazing adjective of quantity. The word amazing is adjective of quantity, showing what? Quantity. 23rd year old Deepa Karmakar from Tripura is the first woman gymnastic from India to qualify for the Olympics. This is the first line. So here the word amazing is given is what? Quality. Now here in the same line, here given the first is C. In the first was it's the ordinal number. What? First is the ordinal number. So this is first is given as adjective of what? Adjective of number. What? Adjective of number. Now in the second line, here given the first is adjective of number. Adjective of number. Now comes to the second line. See, Deepa didn't win an Olympic medal, but she ranked an impressive fourth position in the women's world final in Rio de Janeiro on August 14, 2016. So here in this line given the impressive word. Which word? Impressive word. Impressive is showing that adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. What? Adjective of quality. Which word? Impressive, just as the amazing. Impressive, quality showing. Then the next word is given. Which? The next word. See, the next word is the fourth. Fourth is the word showing what? Showing the adjectives of number. Students, you may underline the words. First is the first adjective of number given, then the word impressive. Impressive is adjective of quality, and the fourth is adjective of number. Now the next is Simone Biles from America won the gold medal with the final score of 15.966. 15.966. So here one word is the adjective. Here given the gold medal with a final score. Score is noun. But before that a word is used, the final. Which? The final. So final score. Score mentioned, but which final? So final is the called adjectives of number. What? Adjective of number. Okay. Now the next page. In the next page, look at here. Was 15.06 for executing one of the most dangerous feats in gymnastics, the Prodonova vault. The Prodonova vault. So here the word is used. Which word? The dangerous. Which word? The dangerous word is used. So this is the showing that adjective of quality. What? Adjective of quality. The danger word is used. What? Quality. Showing the adjective of quality. Which word? The dangerous. Then the word here use. Which word? First word is dangerous, then the difficult. Difficult is showing that what? The same adjective of quality. Difficult world means the adjective of quality. This very difficult world was named after the Russian gymnastic Elena Prodonova, who first performed in 1999. So the difficult word is called adjective of quality. And the second name, the Russian gymnastic. The Russian, here given the Russian word. Which word? Russian. Russian is also called what? Gymnast Elena Prodonova. So the Russian word is also showing that what? Quality. What? Quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Then next is who first performed in 1999. Only a few people can perform this vault. Only a few. People is a noun, and before a noun it's showing that a few. So what is So adjective of quantity. A few is adjective of quantity. A few showing the number, but how quantity showing the number of few people. So few is a counting as where adjective of quantity. Then this vault has been done successfully by only 5 people in the world, including Karmakar. So here the word is used countable noun 5. So what adjective of number? It is called adjective of number. So this is the exercise. I hope you understand about these 3 things. What adjective of quality, showing the quality in a person, thing. Adjective of quantity, showing like a few, little, much. Then the adjective of number, showing the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, first, second, third, last, final. They are called the number, including in number. I hope you understand about these 3 adjectives: quality, quantity, and number. Thank you.